Hello Year 4, how are you today? It's Miss Bellis here. I hope you're all well and I'm really looking forward to helping you with your maths today. Okay, so first I've got a maths game for you. It's a bit similar to the one Mrs. Hunter introduced you to on Friday, but there are some changes. Perhaps you can spot what is similar about the game and what's different. You'll need a partner, so maybe ask a parent or a brother or sister, and let's have a look at the game works before you have a go. You will need a dice, either one each or one to share. You roll a dice and you place the digit in the ones, tenths or hundredths place, whichever you like, and you see which player makes the largest number. Now Emma says, we may know the winner before every player has rolled 3 times. Is she right? And how do you know? And why do you think that is? Sam and Amira have had a go. Sam rolled 2.21 and Amira rolled 2.16. How do we know which is the largest number? They both have the same number of ones. That's right, we need to look at the tenths. We can see that Sam has 2 tenths, but Amira only has 1 tenth. So even though Amira has more hundredths, she only has 1 tenth, and Sam has 2. So we know that 2.21 is greater than 2.16. Here we can see up here that Lulu, Holly and Charles have had a go. Lulu has rolled 2.14, Holly has rolled 3.14 and Charles has rolled 2.22. How can we arrange these numbers in increasing order? So that's from the smallest to the largest. One way is we could put them on a number line. Here's Lulu's number. It's got 2 ones, so we know it's in between the 2 and the 3. These are tenths. There's 2 and 1 tenth, and then the 4 hundredths, and that's where her number is. If we look at Charles's number, he has 2 ones also, so it's still in between these two, but he has 2 tenths, so it falls slightly higher on the line. And Holly has 3 ones, 1 tenth and 4 hundredths, so her number is on the line up here, so we can see that that is the biggest number. The other way we could look at it is on a place value chart. Here we have those 3 numbers. Here's Lulu's number, Charles and Holly's, and we can straight away see in the ones column that Holly's is the biggest number because she has the most ones. Then if we compare Charles and Lulu, we can see that Charles has a bigger number than Lulu because he has more tenths than she has. And here are those numbers shown going from smallest to the greatest. We can also see this with the place value counters. We can see that Holly has 3 ones, and we know that 3 is more than 2. So we straight away know that she has the biggest number. But that leaves us with Lulu and Charles. And here we can see Lulu just has 1 tenth, but Charles has 2. As Holly says down here, 2.1 or 2 and 1 tenth is always less than 2.2 or 2 and 2 tenths. So let's have a look at the guided practice. In the first question, it asks you, which number is smaller, 3.7 or 7.3? We've laid these out with some of the place value counters, but they've only shown you the ones. This is for 3.7, here's the ones, but it's not shown you the tenths. Here's the one for 7.3. Again, it's shown you the ones, but not the tenths. But do we need to be able to see them to know which is the biggest number? And on B, it asks you which number is smaller, 1.52 or 1.25. Again, they've shown you some of the place value counters, the ones and the tenths, but not the hundredths. And do we need them to be able to see which number is smaller? Question 2 is very similar, but this time it asks you which is the greater number, so which is the biggest number. So you can compare the numbers and see which you think. Question 3 asks you to arrange the numbers in increasing order. So you can see that's going from smallest to greatest. And that's the same for B and for C. This is the worksheet that is going to be on the website. And in the first question, it asks you to circle the greatest number in each box. So if we look at A, we have to decide which is the biggest number, 2.3, 1.2, 3.2, or 1.3. And when we've decided which one it is, we can circle it. In question 2, it asks you to circle the smallest number in each box. Now in question 3, it asks you to fill in these blanks with the less than or greater than signs. These are up here. So you have to decide if 1.43 is greater than or less than 1.33. Don't forget, the greedy crocodile always eats the largest number. In question 4, we arrange the numbers in increasing order, so we'll be going from smallest to largest. And in question 5, we'll be arranging the numbers in decreasing order, so that'll be going from largest down to smallest. Here are the answers. These will be on the website as well. Here are the answers to 1 and 2. And here are the answers to 3, 4, and 5. As always, if you'd like to share your maths learning with us, we love to see it. So please do send it in. I hope you've enjoyed your maths learning today and that you have a really lovely day. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.